Hello everyone, I hope you are doing well. Today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of Mango app. You click on settings. In this page we click on apps, default apps, app settings. Here you will search about Mango app and you will click. In this page of app info, you will go here to first stop and you will click OK. Then you will enter to the window of storage. Here we click on clear cache. Then you will go to Play Store. You will search about the application of Mango. And then here we'll update your app if you find updates in this blue sign. So that's all, don't forget to support us, bell like and subscribe.